everyone. Today I am joined by a very special guest. Her name is Boishali Haldar. She has been a journalism and mass communication student at the University of Calcutta. Currently, she is in an IT company. Her hobbies include writing poems, listening to music, dancing, and video editing. Now, since your hobby is writing poems, I'll start by asking, how did you get in the passion of writing poems?
Actually, it's from my own soul, you can say. Whenever I feel so down, whenever I feel very low, that time I used to write poems. So that's how it started.
I totally agree. This is how I feel it's the best way to put your emotions because I am an introvert. I cannot speak
Mm,
out my emotions that much, and I find
mm,
it very,
mm,
satisfying when I put
mm.
everything down on paper and it's like it has gotten out of my system. So it's quite a
Exactly,
relief.
same.
So we do
Yeah.
that. Many people write poetry because of that. Now, asking of your journey from poetry to article, do you prefer writing
Mm.
poems or articles?
I prefer poems more, but I sometimes also write articles.
So, how did you stumble upon this platform of Monomosumi services?
Now, one day I thought I want to write poetry. So, is there any platform where I can showcase my talent? So, I searched in Google platform. So, finally, I found one link and I saw all the reviews. That's totally valid. Okay, some are very fake. No, So, after that, I got to know about it and I wrote there and got selected. And after that, the journey begins.
This is the first time I heard from someone that you were searching for a platform for showcasing your poetry. Since everyone
Yeah.
wants to showcase their article in that essay writing competition, so you're the first person
Mhm.
from whom I've
Yeah.
heard that you wanted to showcase your poems, and that's how you came
Yeah.
across Monomosmy services. That's something really nice.
Yeah.
So, do you have any
Yeah.
fixed
It is.
time for writing, or it just comes randomly?
It just comes randomly. When I feel very low, or I feel very good, anything, any emotions when it comes, so I write poems that time.
So, since you have been a winner of the essay writing competitions as well, on what
Hmm.
topic did you write your essay on? Do you remember a topic that really
Yeah,
like?
yeah. I wrote about a cooking thing. Um, it's it's a sweet dish, okay, but made of thing that's called green banana, which people only used to eat during constipation and all. So I made the raw banana recipe with sweet like gulab jamun on it. Okay,
Wow,
it's
that's
combination of,
something
yeah,
really interesting. People find it interesting
yeah.
because thinking about raw banana as a sweet is not
Hmm.
everybody's process.
Yeah.
That they take the sour and the that fruit to be a sweet. It's really
Hmm.
unique, and you put that in words. That's
Yeah.
definitely very interesting. So I'd like
Yeah.
to know that who has been the inspiration, if there is someone behind your journey for your passion for writing.
Not really like that, but I used to read many books. Okay, I'm a big fan of Shakespeare, William Shakespeare, right? So I love his work many. So to that, I started to write and all.
I cannot believe that talking to someone, I found that you are saying that you like Shakespeare, and Shakespeare,
Yeah.
I don't know, but I love his writings. Not only his drama, his poems are also very interesting and
Yeah.
very, educative enough.
Yeah.
People are
Mm-hmm.
dumbfounded when I tell them that I like Shakespeare. They are like, how do you even understand his language? But that is the uniqueness of Shakespeare, and I like it.
Yeah.
So listening the word,
He's so different.
yeah, listening to you that you like Shakespeare, it's very, refreshing coming from you. So any
Yeah. Yeah, like you, I'm also an introvert, so I like his writings and all, and I started to write.
So, any particular play that interests you?
Yeah, many. William Shakespeare, Julius Caesar, As You Like It, Romeo Juliet, everyone knows that. And many more, Othello and all, Macbeth,
So,
like
how
many
did
plays.
you come,
All the plays.
how did you come by Shakespeare? How did you start reading him?
Actually, when I was in class 10, from there, I started to read it, okay. It's in my academy. After that, I got so much interest in him, so I started to read everything about him.
I my journey
Okay.
also began like that. In I was in ICC board, so in
Okay.
ninth and tenth we had Julius Caesar, and in 11th and 12th
Yeah,
we
yeah,
had
me
Macbeth.
too.
In 11th and 12th we
I'm
had
also
Macbeth.
from ICSC mode. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah, me
that's
too.
why.
Like
So
that.
we
That's
share
right.
some, good literary background,
Mhm.
because they at least gave us
Mhm.
a push towards Shakespeare, and finally we
Mhm.
embraced him. That's quite a nice thing. So, according to you, are you a
Hmm.
night owl
Actually,
or a early riser?
no, I'm totally not an early riser. My every thoughts, my every poems, everything comes at night when everyone gone to sleep. Total peace in the background, and I started to
When the
dream in
world,
my
when the world
daydream, like daydreaming. I started night dreaming and all.
Right. When the world sleeps, our creativity is awakened.
Yeah, yeah, actually.
So, do you prefer fiction books or non-fiction genre of books?
Normally non-fiction,
Non-fiction.
not a good thing. Yeah, mixed and
Lovely,
all.
lovely to hear that. So, I would love to have some recommendations of books that you think, can benefit people.
Um, right now I can't remember anything such. I started to read many times ago, but
So,
now. Hmm.
since you said you have different hobbies like dancing and cooking and other stuff, so how did you develop these hobbies, or have you taken it as a passion, or they remain just as a hobby?
No, my passion is to write poems. Okay, sometimes I used to cook. Okay, I love to cook various side dishes, starters and all. So that's how it begins.
So,
And dancing, I've done Bharatanatyam in up to second year. That's
you have a lot of talent in you, and your essay was an amalgamation of your passion for writing as well as your interest in cooking. So that combined
yeah.
made a beautiful write-up out of it. Now,
Yeah,
talking
I never thought of giving all these things. Just happens and I go with the flow.
right. So, talking about being a writer, we sometimes face criticism as well. So, do you think
Yeah.
criticisms are a necessary evil in the process of writing?
No, not really. Without criticism, we can't grow. It's important that we face it, okay? So it's very much important. People will praise you, people will criticize you. It's very much important to us. We should face it. Without failure, we can't get any success, right? So that's how it is.
Do you have any tips for people who want to write poems, because poetry is something that is people think that if we rhyme two words it becomes a poem,
Hmm.
which is not the case, and I try
Yeah.
to tell a lot of people about it. But do you have any tips for people or any message for people who really want to write poems?
I think writing poems is something you should feel it. You should feel the words. It's not about just matching the words or like rhymes or many people I have seen that many people usually don't do any rhyming. I normally prefer rhymes and all with the similar stanzas and all, but many people sometimes write different type of without rhyming words like said, but it should come from your heart, it should come from your soul, the words, the everything. And I think people should read books. It helps to um, um, it helps to grow their vocabulary regarding writing and all. That's all.
I agree. And now, since you talked about feelings, many people say that
Hmm.
writers, you can't be a writer until and unless you feel very strongly. So, do you agree with that fact?
Hmm. Yes, I believe you should feel the words. You should feel the thing. You should feel the main thing about which you want to write. You should feel the main emotions. Otherwise, you can't write properly. You can, maybe you can write, but you cannot connect with anyone unless and until you feel that things. So it's important for connection.
Now, taking you back to the article writing that you did, according to you, what would a structured essay or an article look like?
I think introduction may be very catchy. It should be something that you can connect with. Okay, and you should write always in third person, which I have learned. At first, I also did very much mistake, but I've learned you should write always in third person. After that, body should be the main content about which you want to write, and after that, and the ending part should be something which is something. If you want to give any advice, or you should give something which people should remember or benefit for anything like that.
You
I
have
think
you
that's
you
all.
have actually done it through experience, and I hope people can take up with your experience and utilize it in their own way, so that they
Yeah.
can also improve their writing. Now I'll
Yeah.
ask you a bit of a philosophical question. What does success mean to you?
Okay. It's a normal tagline. People may know this, but I think success would be something to me when I can buy any branded clothes, anything, any branded thing without seeing the tag, okay, price tag. So I feel success would be that for me.
Right, when we don't have that pressure of money in our mind that
Yeah,
we constantly have to think on that direction, that's a form of success,
exactly.
truly, truly said.
Yeah, we can buy anything. Yeah, like that.
Okay, so lastly, do you have any message for the future contestants or participants who want to participate in such essay writing competitions?
Yeah, and to say that feel free to write your heart out, definitely with instructions and all, but feel free with all your emotions, with all your feelings, write it down, and you can get whatever you want. Maybe one day, maybe next day, but you will get it. So,
It was
God give us hope
It
and
was a great time that I had talking to you, especially with so many things that we have in common, being it Shakespeare, being the
yeah,
ICSE board, being the poetry writing, everything. So
yeah.
it was really nice talking to you, and I got a chance to know you. That's a lovely thing. Thank you so much for joining
Same
me,
here.
and
Thank you.
have a nice day.